Igbo moze kine mono n'ụbọchị nke atọ kwa ji ebe bụ n'okwu dịle nwanne nwoke a na-akpọ Okwuluora anya na ndị Ibom Air na befe bụ ife ihele na Ibom Air bịa humiliate the young man bịa bulukwa ngwongwo ya gbafue maka anyị na-ayọsi na onye ọbụla biko nụtara maachị ya na Ibom Air page ka agwa ha ka ha buchetala Okwuluora ngwongwo ya ha bulu na-abụ ife bụ ihe mwute na nwoke mmadụ si na flight kemgbe 4 p.m. gị na ha drag gidere otere 10 ha bulu ibu gị gaba Lagos. Unu mara unu ama na ya bụ ihe na-eso okwu nwoke na-ebutu enu nwoke mmadụ ibu ya na-ebulu ya gaba Lagos. Ihe ọbụla afụ ebe a deleticha ndị rekọdịcha the event ihe n'ebe a ha sicha fonu ndị mmadụ deleticha the whole evidence maka unu achọrọ anything that will spoil your image mana unu mere mmadụ ihe delete evidence na bife adroma so nwere nwoke bụ Okwuluora wee pụta wee condemn the art yesterday night online biko solo na ekwu nne the pain from this young man anya bụ ife ihe nweta na ala Igbo niile ebe ọ bụ na nwoke na nwaanyị nọ biko share this message as far as you can to Ibom Air biko ka ha mara ihe ha ya eme ka ihe ọkalịa si boycott the airline for the meantime maka na from reason whereby ndị mmadụ ya plane from Lagos to Asaba no air condition. Okwuluora na-asịkwa na flight achọkwala ịbanye from Enugu to Lagos na enweghị air condition ha wezikwa oke na ọbụla o si na ha manage agaba na ebe ọ na-aga dị important siro nke obi ma nya bụ ife biko na video kwunu fụ ihe Okwuluora kwuru maka nya bụ incident me yesterday.
I'm very broken in name and phone and very weak. I can't see na Lagos. I'm not in Lagos. I'm na Enugu. I went to the airport around 3 p.m. I had very weak. I'm Munsi banking kam baganka. I was something in Chineke for a very long time. I needed something and tomorrow by the appointment in Lagos very early in the morning. Every most away by airpiece and the airpiece I could say baby 4 p.m. Airpiece send their message. As soon as the flight at 4 p.m. was 11 a.m. and I put the message everyone. There is nothing I can do. I'm wrapping the airpiece na their wahala. I went and bought a Ibom Air. I returned Ibom Air plane, but we bought the Ibom Air. I buy. Upon and another, and the bugles of banana suffocate. AC adron at the plane, and the plane Junono. You can imagine every plane Junono, Onyaneku, Monyozo Kulia. At some point, the plane we board up. The pilot man announced na AC maybe that they are trying to fix it. I'm not gonna see a fixing more of the thing. And people were bitterly complaining. Me, I didn't complain because they check you may want to fly 1,000 Lagos. I wouldn't want to fly 1,000 Lagos who can easily come down and board. Buy ticket and wait. They want to fly 1,000 Lagos. You can only open and I complain. But people are open I know 10 minutes na plane now. Mad weekend. Open on one year asthma. All these diseases. Not a plane. I hug react. So the only thing my pilot took over. Only actually pilot on the Ibom Air. Only actually or turn or drop wire. Madu is the airplane me boss. People were complaining about Salamo. I seen Obu ne fego ne na the plane ga ikukuge kumana imana. Onwere fege I've calculated I cannot afford to miss this opportunity. Ima say injustice to one is injustice to all. If ebe megburu mmadu ibege ana acho justice itinye aka. All my life I know people all go. I've never fought my fight. I've never fought my battle. On kendi mmadu ndị akpagburu ndị emegburuka ebe mwa bụ Okwuluora I get treat him like this upon almost everybody in airport ma onye mbụ onye enweze onye ma nwa ogbenye nwere onye ọma ikwu na ibe nwere onye ọ ga-akpọ ka ife ga-eme so nwoke agbabago na terminal pilot ndị akwa Ibom please tag them pilot ndị Ibom Air gbakọta na terminal je tọnụọ plane mechigoro emechi na apụ tọnụọ pụtakwa na departure si onye ọbụla rituo onye ọbụla rituo ndị nwe hand luggage onye ọbụla rituo eluzie ka a ga-aba ọtụgbasate ọnọ n'enu na-enye ọda onye ama mba plane a na onye ama mba plane a na onye tụọ m aka na ndị ama mba plane eche more educated people na alụ na terminal ma am not out pilot ndị Ibom Air nọ n'enu ka president na-atụ aka na-agwa ndị security na onye ama mba na onye ama mba na onye ama mba plane m kwụrụ ụgwọ ya enye m boarding pass abụrụ m terrorist abụrụ m criminal anụrụ m ọgụ akọrọ m ọnụ onwere ife mme nnebe anya dị efu ndị na-alụ dị ọdịm ka high of officials nje na-asịfa na okwu ọ na-esi enwe m appointment na Lagos bido n'abalị ya achọgo m this particular opportunity for 9 years for good 9 years ka nna ya Chineke ka onye m this opportunity nweti ya mgba airpiece 200 and something thousand mụ na-enye nwoke echenjie ya arapụ airpiece gba Ibom Air 220,000 edem tata na na-eje Lagos. Please tag Ibom Air. Onye furu ebe nwanne ya na-ebe akwa osori ya ba akwa. And we can say you find things difficult. Nobody will come. Achọrọ m ka unu boycott Ibom Air. Ọ bụrụ na anyị bụ ndị Igbo, ọ bụrụ na na-ejere Igbo ozi, ọ bụrụ na ịdị against injustice, ka onye pilot bụ ịnọ n'elu na-atụ aka na mmadụ ama mba plane na onye ama mba plane. Nsifa na ama mba plane ka ife mere unu. Mweta appointment letter me kwesịrị igosife nwere ife gbasara ha na-egosife onye ọbụla na-emere m big man maka na m akpọrọ suit maka na m ejiri security bịa n'airport. Nsife ngwa ha binye m akpa my documents, international passport, all my personal belongings dị n'ime plane. Documents determine my life, all of them dị n'ime my luggage. Ha sị m ka ebody pass ngori abody pass na anya ọbụ na ndị a na-ebute akpa unu chụpụ m na plane m kwụrụ ụgwọ ya plane enye m body pass. Documents plane a niile ji depart ya fam dị ya maka abago m plane. Mgbara ọsọ na-eje na wingị plane achụ a block ọmụ na passenger adabede nyenu m akpa m ndị nke yi blue na-asị m calm down go back before na-azụ ndị akwachigo plane take off n'iru mburu akpa m jebe Lagos. Akwa m nwa bụ nwa na-ejere Igbo ozi Okwuluora Ndị Igbo enwe onye m mere ife ọjọọ Ibom Air buru akpa m mmịa fon m ka m see plane ahụ ka ebu akpa m apụ. I don't want to know Hebrew within their force. So how do you fight for grapple? Phone chori sim nakada. Phone na him phone 4. Phone na abu sim nakada. Hachi prevent him from making video of the bully, of the injustice. One boy in Nako, Abia State. Where a phone say Ndi Ibom Air. Ndi Ibom Air Jimaka. To make sure na make video that play ni bu apama bosom. Nda me borrow that boy, just delete here. Ndami Ibom Air, Ndi Air Force. Ndi Air Force, one of that boy, just threaten wire, mepe iPhone and delete the video. Abi amuku go ticket, a nyambodem pass in bar plane. A bully him, a humiliate him. And see for no my mom, that was there before. In Juba, nobody cares. You know, in Nigeria, nobody cares about anybody. And sing Abraham Unyedi Kabunage made me fat. Case if I gave me a common person Naganozo. A client, a passenger. I'm not going to my house this night. Key on the name ma'am. Key to my house with the name ma'am. Ndi Ibom Air, Buri Awaso. Ibom Air, I'm a ticket on the chop on the plane. Mune Nwoke. Ibom Air, Buru documents in Nina Mweno Wa. Mbueji interview in Lagos. Ibom Air, with my appointment 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. Ibom Air, unu bottom security. I want on your corona, what if I'm there? Even unu hit in a sokum, I can't hit in the plane. I didn't complain because in one option. Obune another airline in Jeba, there is nothing to do at that point. I went to the counter, nobody cares about me. Nobody cares about people are stranded, people are hopeless, people are crying, people are emotional. Omonwanye Ibom Air Juna counter, Mwaje na counter lay siege there. A girl put na one station manager. Instead of Mona Giga Weba. I told the station manager na Monagi. Insist station manager Ibom Air na money yaga. I told her. Instead of Boni Hipu, in short, I'm a mortuary before you leave this place. Hadebo military. They went and called the police in Harbour. I told the policeman, yeah, go to hell. I'll be able to say go to hell. Realize that sense here. He became sane. Since 4 p.m., Ndi Ibom Air now, but this is 10 p.m. I couldn't go to my house. How about the documents him? And my union need to boycott Ibom Air. Invade the page of Ibom Air. Jena page Ibom Air. We are now no. I've done so much. I've fought for you. I've lived for you. I've died for you. Go to page Ibom Air. Ibom Air caused some damage more than 50 million naira. When this opportunity, APC disappointed him no toto. Ibom Air. I was bullied by Ibom Air. Habura Obunambu Abamna can take a night bus, take a risk. Any remain on a just in on a Lagos. Ebura Mabam, and one of Kim, can we film me? I didn't know my mother of violence. I made boy very soft. And when with diabetes, I did me fike. adị m eje ebe a na-eme mkpọtụ mmadụ emerụ ọmarụ, adị m anụ ọgụ, adị m agba mba, adị m agba bọọlụ. Anything ga-eme ihe m na mmadụ nwere ike ime na omerụ m ahụ ma ọ kụọ m ife ma ọrụ ime aka n'anya, ana m agba ọsọ because o nwere ike ọma nna. I have never been this broken. I've never been this disappointed. Ibom Air with page. Go to the page of Ibom Air. See the Ibom Air. Ahambo Oko Emmanuel. If they go to their manifest, I got for Ahambo Oko Emmanuel. Join Ndi Ibom Air if mefa. I work so hard for this opportunity. I've labored so much for this opportunity. And I'm now about documents. It will be a Kami Junior. Where do I go from here? What am I going to do? Ibom Air Jaborum Dami. Ibom Air Jaborum Air Force. Ibom Air Jaborum Security. Ibom Air Jaborum the Tout. Kefem me. Ibute plan Isiagu. Burundi Madu Park and the plan you know the people now. People ne breathe out. People ne breathe here in. Obu na no ku 10 minutes ni Ibom Air. Onye nwere asthma. Onye akuku na don on a plane I ga react. I said even I was ready to go that way. Passengers si na onye achọrọ ịga, pilot si na onye achọrọ ịga ya rituo. Mbakwa nkete gba belt m ebe nọ. I need to get to Lagos atago m afọ. I'm trying to pick up my PC. Soon I'm on my predicament. Ana m agwa unu na ana m pass through a lot. Every day ntetara ụra, send yarum picture onye nwere anwụ si na agwa m mere ya fundraising emere m ya. No emere onye ajụ nwụọ. Nsi unu na ogbu ife na agabiga. I'm trying to put my life together. This is one of the breakthrough na cho this thing now. Eluzigo m ya. Keep them the name abam. Documents in Nina, aquam personal belongings in Nina the day. I'm going to Lagos for an interview. Anime change kanya komelu mamara. Can put all my life in order. Ibom Air volume security. Actually, me if you play any problem about so you can imagine every security see go bag. They squeeze your phone, one another phone. They don't want me to record it. Please, actually, can make page Ibom Air invade. And we film Ibom Air. And may use the Enugu airport to steady. And we don't know any corner. Only open for me a run over and Kennedy, Mono Kenem, Monosimon Namuch Honoria, Abu me super giver. Moya can about 5,000 or 2,000 or 10,000 more transfer Melugi. Adima Chom Madu, Panube, I marriage temple last time on a modern rogue. Adima no, Adima me fike. It deserve from me far. I don't deserve it. Ibon Air Buabam Lagos. Ibom Air Buabam Lagos. Tomorrow, quick for tomorrow. Map animal block can't Ibom Air Enugu airport Ishi. And we came on my way, and we make him something will happen to me tomorrow. One thing must kill a man at some point in your life. You take a big decision. Can I the legal angle? Ibom Air will not function in Enugu State. Inu na about me tomorrow. Hold Ibom Air responsible. And imagine that they account tomorrow. I cannot lose my vision, my purpose, my effort, my dreams. Because number ticket Ibom Air. And they take illegal action one. Ibom Air will not continue to carry passenger to Enugu. Out of Enugu. After rendering me almost useless. Please. Anama yunu nine. Iye jimara Ndi Igbo bonurubo nwanna agbalo so na be mebuo mmadu mbiakwoli ya. Obu ni be broadcaster, money be blogger. Anything he game, anything anywhere, any post he game, I share this video. Anama yunu. Obu na manuru ogu o game onye ozo. Ima problem I web na nke obu na emere afofit ya. Obu na ye mere fa ta to ga continue na ano na terminal airport. Okwu an na-ekwu na afomofo. Man, I'm broken. How do I sleep tonight? In a choice for almost 10 years. In what year? Within a twinkle of an eye. Out of wickedness, out of dictatorship, out of carelessness, mother deny again. Can you think me now? Where do I go from here? And imagine interview in Lagos. I'm finding a lot of things difficult at this point. And this is one of the ways I can get relief. I'm very broken. Anya mmiri agwugom ebukata go makwa anya mmiri agwugom n'anya. Ebe a ga-eme m nwe ife ahụ. A regular person na-enwere onye ọ ga-akpọnwụ. Ana m abata na enwe emergency meeting. Akpọbọ ndị obodo ji biri ife ji nwe emergency meeting bụ maka na ọmụnwa. Ọ bụrụ na onwere onye mbụ na mbe a regular person, nobody cares. This is why people die. You deny people their dream, their vision for nothing. Maka na inwe power. Igbo station manager, Igbo branch manager, Igbo nka, you deny somebody for work for years. 90% if you're not airport, mana omunwa Okwuluora And Ibom. Mana neno no them. Upon my position, capacity, caliber, any femem. Somebody sina mamba plane on Korogwea. At home security. Blue property. Nenum Burapam na Lagos. Telling me to my face no what if game. Obu Nandin do it, man. I want to die. Actually, Munifa. I tell you that I'm mad at her. There is no way I can sleep. There is no way. It's not possible for me to sleep. Oh, unuga kurumonum. Mother de kurumuya. Jenu na page Ibon Air, name boss Ibon Air. See for Jena their manifest, Enugu to Lagos. 4:30 flight, Enugu to Lagos. No one boy afambo oko Emmanuel Onyeka. Okwuluora bafane etumetu. Jono 5 melofa. Jane boss Sunday Ibon Air. Jenu na Twitter, Jane na Instagram. Sin Ibon Air ke ifemme. What have I done? Uno tira in a plane Isiagu. People not complain. I didn't complain. Because someone they want to play no, the Green Africa Aderozi. I was there. I saw Nyobona Rituo. I came down. Pilot in a wee way. Only a wogodi war. Don't people have right to complain? The truth is now nice parking a Kasadi in a plane now. Somebody must pick infection or somebody might probably start reacting. And when more than 200 people on an airline, no ventilation. AC adalo, fan adalo. People are sweating. I was ready to remove my shirt. I just want to get into Lagos. Because I'm marabano knows I'm still going to about 5 p.m. How can I get into Lagos? I've prayed for this opportunity. It means everything to me. I wanted it. Last time I had an appointment, I don't know, go get camera operation. I'm going to pay the prices tonight. I'm going through pain. I'm seeing pain. Life had easy. Difficult. I'm passing through hell every day. I'm complain. Obu na mbamberu na kwatolu na onye ego tolu na ego. Una amana na pass through hell. Also Chineke mo obim. Even na gabiga, the problem self una aman solve nwe. Also chukuga. That is why aburo mo ebom bia na enyu no sobu. E wele Air Force na security na ndeta out around Dome Airport. Son I don't violent. I'm just telling you that this station manager will not leave this airport. I blocked them until 10 p.m. Keifembe. Ememi fojo ba Ibom Air. Anoro mo ogomba. Ejimu egbe mba. Ejimu mma mba. Enwifemme. Jesus Christ. How am I going to share in this video? Tag Ibom Air. Go to their page. Go to their comment section. No Igbo man. When you open up on Igbo, don't use Ibom Air. Please. Injustice to one is injustice to all. Boycott Ibom Air. Even why they do this thing is that they believe that soldier goes, soldier come. They're singing, Obu Neban and does a gaba. Obu na ya banyu koma mere onu ifo jo amanna. Okwa mmadu na abo. Ya bugodi na ebiaro ndoza amambia. Obu na eba plane and does a gaba. Boycott Ibom Air. Let it be ya buru de oleto na yoge. Oh, one negi kambo. And we can I've never been this broken in 2023. So what have I done to deserve this? Ibu play na adero mana AC adero and the nego manifest if na ego play na full. Obu na play na not half people ne it might not be so bad. Mana play na ju no AC adero you any form of air. People are crying. People ne yipa people ne fa coupe. I didn't complain. And one option. See anyhow, can I off 45 minutes or 55? Let me just get into Lagos. Due to the urgency, how critical my meeting day. Pilot Obama na Tamina. Sikwe na Tamina, jeton no. Bet asonya wana rituo. Hababizu. Point about people aka. No only amamba plane na. Plane unkuru ugu ya 220,000 mune nyu nwoke. Enye mbodem pass. Afam de na manifest na maba go plane. a thought to be any room, see no nya, mamba play na pilot to say. Ogwonkoro, I paid. I got my boarding pass to go to Lagos. Somebody, not somewhere, they determine in the Gaga Lagos, Nanda Manga Lagos. It was so bad. No more Ibon and Igbo. Obuna Obama Egbo, I won't take it. The only thing the government plan I can't Ibom tomorrow, but Obama Egbo, none of mortuary. I can't even international airport this night because because now her was operation. I get one flight by 4. I get me counter by 2. I tell you, I swear with my late father's grave. In fact, Ibom 82 division then Gabata. The only thing way to take me out is to shoot me. I can't. It's so unbearable to me. Obu anukwa no mo go mo ife me wonye nkwara aka. Obu na imam of person funa anama the week steady anama anoro onwem. The biggest thing in me bombi amanja kare umo nwa onye nka how are you? Me why you now married? Am I egwu people throw BP naba. Adima agba ball, I be a very good football player. Ekwese me be a professional football player. Manadu to onodum there are things you can change. Life nye me ife kare naturally I am weak. That is why apart from broadcast I didn't make if we can no Akumoto from 4 p.m. to now. My house, my key to my house with the name de aba. Ibom kaobi. Bura bamburu documents in Iwaji Lagos. Nobody cares. People they stranded, no manager, nobody's talking to the people. Because I believe we know what fee game, and they believe that if soldier go, soldier come. That is the problem. Obu and Ndi Igbo boycott to Ibom Air. 18 flight, they will come back to their senses. Obu no one in charge in Gabe, nobody cares. When they get stranded in airport now, how brought in Enugu, they came for something. And whatever manage. And according to them, flights are direct. As everywhere the booked up. My AirPCO, my United Nigeria, every airline with the booked up. My Ibom, whatever the booked up. Because Anya Meriju Manya, my Adam Obim Tiware Tiwa. As no be Tiware Tiwa na day Nedi and Adam broken. I want you to pity me more than ever. Look at my eyes all the week. Emi Isiagu flight, Makeje Mela Hola. I may stress too much. I wanted to go to Afton and Lagos. But I want to meet in a date or venue Ebenga for our people. I got some cheap, then in money for the week. Look at my eyes. Stress and pass it through. I just bottom on that force. It just bottom on car. It came me. You consider park a passenger in a plane now, the Roma. It's a man and one aviation measure. And then one measure. Caution and precaution how they take. Please, I beg you in the name of God. Go to Ibom Air page. See for no one passenger hanwe. No one Igbo Kobo. Enugu to Lagos. Nafia Boko Emmanuel. Keife meha. What did I do? In the Katamano don't modern airport. People are still at people now quarreling airport at this time. The only thing airport authority remember, I pour you airport. They don't care about the plight of the people, the pain of the people, suffering of the people, predicaments of the people. Nobody cares. Madibere plane, Ethiopia na plane Obagoraba. Body and army. Unya na gbagi no nwere ebe ọ na-eje. Onye ichopu na plane ejukwara ebe ọ ga-alahụ. Ijukwara na onwe ego ji rebook flight. Ke ife me. Ke in particular.
Ekele m Igbo niile kene ihe na-emeli Igbo biko onye ọbụla na-echa vidio a biko nyela ya aka na-eshi aka nwee ike na-aga viral. Ekele m ndị Igbo niile kene ihe na-emeli Igbo ndị ọma na-ege m ntị unu na-echa vidio subscribe share this video bụ notification ka unu na-enweta notification mgbe ọbụla etile vidio ọfụ nke kachasị mba drop your comment na the comment section ka nwee mgbe ọzọ.